I could have easily delegated this to my team, but I chose first to use this wonderful Canon EOS, camera for my content. Now, this is not about Canon. This is about doing your meta ads. I first am learning how to use this cam before just handing it over to somebody else. The same goes for your meta business ads. If you're a coach or consultant, instead of straight away spending money on DFY, done for you services, I really recommend that you learn the simple ways to do your ads on your own, DIY. And then you will have the confidence to transfer it to somebody, and when somebody is not able to do it properly, you'll be able to catch it. What is the problem? So that the person will not take you for a ride. If you understood this and you are someone, a coach or a consultant who would like to learn more about how to complete a 30 days challenge DIY and 60 days DIY challenge, don't forget to check the link below this video. I'll see you inside my community.